Hey guys, Blender Visuals here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simpler way to make a paperclip in Blender. Now, as you can know, there's a lot of tutorials out there, but a lot of them are like 10 or I don't know how many minutes. It includes a lot of difficult modeling, but what I'm going to show you guys is how to do it a lot easier. So the first thing you actually want to do is you want to get a reference. I already have a paperclip image saved, so let's load the reference, and for the rotation, let's put 0, 0, 90. Let's go into front view, and the next thing is once we have our reference, we want to go to mesh and we want to add a circle. Now let's zoom in and press S to scale this, and then let's press the G and just move it over here and line it up. So S again, and let's zoom in, S one more time. Now, just like all my past videos, the way you can do this is you can trace around it. Okay, now that we have the circle lined up with the start of the paperclip, we can select the paperclip again, go into tab, press tab to go into edit mode. And then just like, you can check all my past videos on how I'm doing this. It's called tracing around the object. So we press E to extrude it, and then we just start tracing around it. Now, this is a lot more difficult and different from my previous ones. This tracing, you can't just, I'll show you an example. So when you press the trace, the E to extrude it to trace it, you can't just do this because, like, if you do this, it's just not going to look right. So the thing you want to do is you want to press E, and let's stop right here, and you want to press the R key to rotate it. By rotating it, we're helping it look a little bit, you know, better, like not so crooked on the sides. Now, I'm going to speed this up. Before I speed this up, like I said, the only keys that you will need to use is E, the E to extrude it, and the S to, whoops, sorry. You will only need the E to extrude it and the R to rotate it. It's just what you got to do, so I'm going to speed this part up. Now, as you know, it is going to be a tiny bit bumpy right here, but I will show you how to fix that as soon as I'm done tracing. So press E again to extrude, and then let's stop right here and press R. I'm going to speed this up now. Now that we're done tracing, we can zoom out. And the first thing you want to do is you want to hide your. We want to press the tab to go back to object mode. After we're back in object mode, we want to hide our reference, and we'll have our paperclip. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click Shadow on Smooth because not really necessary. I just like to do it. Now, if we zoom in and go right over here to where we traced over, you can see there's a bit of like bumps, like right here to right here to right here. So to kind of smooth that out, ignore that. To smooth it out, we want to go to our modifiers and we want to add a smooth modifier. It's over here by the deform option. So click smooth, and the repeat option, like my past videos, goes up to 30. Whoops, sorry, 20. Yeah, like that. Now, you don't have to add a modifier. I just prefer to do it. The thing is, if you add a modifier, it smooths it out, but it looks less like a paper clip. So it's really a decision what you guys choose. So now that we have the paper clip, we're going to go to material properties, we're going to click the plus, and we're going to add a new one with the paper clip still selected. Next, we're going to rename this, we're going to just name this from material 1 to paper clip. Paper clip. Now, after we have the paper clip, we want to press Z, and we want to go to in our material preview. Next, we want to choose a grayish color, like this. After we have the grayish color, we want to go over here and we want to turn the metallic to 0.50. And the specular doesn't matter, and the roughness, we want 0.30. Actually, let's go a little bit lower. And after that, we should have our paper clip in Blender. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.